Hi, welcome to the SAR Universe YouTube channel. Today our topic is G0 rapid move or point to point positioning move. Rapid moves are used to move from point to point positioning in free space, not require cutting materials. These moves uh, do not require a feet rest. In this move, tool positioning in a specific distance and directions. Now I show you the definition of rapid move. G0 G0 is rapid move or point to point positioning move. Rapid moves are used to move from point to point in free space, not cutting materials. These moves do not require a feed rate input. Now I'm going to show the format, means how to make the program in rapid move. This is the format G0XYZ. Now I am going to illustrate you the program, how to make the rapid move program in a specific distance and direction in VMC programming. Example, program a rapid move to uh, distance x 100 mm, distance y 300 mm in VMC programming. This move we are doing in VMC programming. G0 rapid move, G0 G90 absolute programming, G54 means fixture offset 1, G17 using for XY plane select, G40 means cutter compensation cancel, G49 means tool length offset cancel, G80 means if any can cycle active, means G80 we are used to cancel the canned cycle. This whole line of block is called safe start line. This symbol is called end of block. We need to put every line of block this code T1 M6. T means tool, 1 means tool number 1. M6 is a miscellaneous function code. M6 is using for a tool change. T1 M6, this line of block is called tool change. S means spindle, 2500 rpm, spindle speed 2500. M is a miscellaneous function. M3 means spindle rotation in clockwise direction. This whole line means start spindle in clockwise direction. G0 means rapid move. We are doing rapid move in X 100 mm and in Y 300 mm. This whole line of block is called rapid to XY position. Means tool, not tool number 1 is positioned in X 100 mm distance and Y 300 mm distance. M30 code is using for program int and rewind. Guys, CNC or VMC program is very easy. We need to clear the concept and we need to learn from basic. Please follow my channel and hit the bell icon to subscribe my channel and also like it. Now I am going to show you the shape star line of block full whole code meaning. Now you can also take a screenshot of this program. G0 means rapid move, G90 means absolute programming, G54 means fixture offset 1, G17 means XY plane select, G40 means cutter compensation cancel. This code is using if any cutter compensation activate for period That's why we are using this code for cancel the cutter compensation. G49 also using tool length offset cancel. G80 canned cycle cancel. If any canned cycle activated like that, G44, uh, G84, G76, G85. If any canned cycle activate, this code is using for cancel the canned cycle. Next video I will make for G02. G02 means arc feed move in clockwise directions, and also I will explain with a program how to make the program in G02 with example. Please like this video and hit the bell icon to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.